Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis. I'll be telling you the Nifty 50 support and resistance level and also two stocks what are selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So I'll be telling you how to trade on the stocks and how to find out their support and resistance level based on my unique calculation way. And please note this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not asking you to trade or invest on the stocks or in this level, okay? So before you trade on these levels or the stocks, you can do your own analysis as well, okay? And also guys, in addition to this, I'll be telling you the three top news for today, okay? So first, let's talk about the Nifty 50 for today. So Nifty 50 was actually a bit bearish today. Okay, so on the previous day it closed in a bullish way, but today the market has come down and closed in a bearish way today. Okay, so now let me talk about the Nifty 50 support and resistance level for tomorrow, how you can calculate. So what you have to do is once the market opens tomorrow, just see the Nifty opening price and add opening price plus 162 to find out the maximum what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 162 to find out the maximum low, that's the maximum support what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 80 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 80 to find out the key support level for the Nifty 50. Okay, so now let's talk about the top 3 news for tomorrow. So the first news is from Indigo. Okay, so Indigo beats Air India to the largest aircraft order in the history and has ordered 500 planes of Airbus A320 family. Okay, so at the current moment, the Indigo is already operating 300 plus aircrafts, and now it has placed 500 new orders from Airbus. Okay, so Indigo, India's largest airline by market share, on June 19th, that is today, has placed an order of 500 Airbus from A320 family, and this is the largest purchase agreement in the aviation history. Okay, so this is an first time the airline has been ordered a bulk amount of aircraft at once. Okay, so this is the history, and this deal is worth of 50 billion, and this delivery is expected to take place between 2030 to 2035. Okay, so this is not an instant delivery, so it will take years for the manufacturing. So this will be delivered between 2030 to 2035. So this is the first news from Indigo, and this order has been bid by the Air India. So before, the Air India has placed a huge order like this, but right now Indigo has placed more the order of Air India and it has beaten it. Okay, so this is the first news, and the second news is from SEBI, that is SEBI stops IIFL Securities from onboarding new clients for 2 years. So let me explain you why. The market regulator has banned the broker IIFL Securities for onboarding new clients for the 2 years, for mixing clients' fund with proprietary funds, for using credit balance clients' accounts to settle obligation of debt balance clients' account, and using credit balance clients' accounts to settle proprietary trade obligation. So they have not managed the funds properly. So that's why the SEBI has banned IIFL Securities for onboarding the new clients. That means anyone can't open the new account for the next 2 years in IIFL. So this is the next news, and the last news is from HPCL. So HPCL secures gas supply deal from ONGC Petro Additions. Okay, so Hindustan Petrol Corporation, that is HPCL, has secured a major long-term contract from ONGC, okay, and also has a supply of natural gas for their mega petrochemical complex at Dej. Okay, so today at 153, that is HPCL, was quoted at 272.80 price, and it was trading flat today. But this is a new contract what HPCL and ONGC are going through. Okay, so these are the top 3 news for today, and now I'll be telling you the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the first stock to observe for tomorrow will be TechM. Okay, so before I tell you the levels for TechM, if you guys are new to a stock market trading, and if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. So the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what is spent for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. And also you can go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also once you join us, you will be getting daily live market support as well. Okay, so guys, yes, now let's talk about the levels for tomorrow. That's the first stock is TechM. So for TechM, what you have to do is once the market opens at 9:15, just see the TechM opening price and add opening price plus 22 to find out the maximum high what the stock can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 22 to find out the maximum low. That's the support what the maximum support TechM can take from tomorrow, and opening price plus 11 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 11 to find out the key support level for TechM. So this is the calculation for TechM, and the next stock will be MGL. So for the MGL, the calculation is like this. So once the stock opens at 9:15, just see the opening price and add opening price plus 30 to find out the maximum high, that is the maximum resistance, and opening price minus 30 to find out the maximum low, that is the maximum support what the stock can take tomorrow, and opening price plus 15 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 15 to find out the key support level. So these are the calculation for tomorrow's trading and for the market analysis. I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also do subscribe to my channel for the daily updates. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.